Hello everyone, we will start off by taking some yellow frosting and roughly adding it to the top of your cake as well as the sides. Add little dots of red as well. Now once you do this, spread out the sides as well. After smoothing out, add some white frosting to the top of your cake using this frosting bag with a little nozzle. On the sides, make little flowers out of them and add a yellow center to them. Add a little leaf made out of the frosting as well. Next, we will start off by taking a round circular cake and then make swirls at the bottom of the cake as such. Now, once you are done with the bottom, move on and make the same design on the top as well. Line the entire cake in a circular shape as such. Then take some green frosting in a piping bag without a nozzle and then make the shape out of it to make it look like a tree as such. After making lines and the markings on both of the sides, this is what it should begin to look like. Add on little flowers to each of the edges as well to make it look all the more better. We have chosen to add the colors in pink and blue. Once you are done adding the little petals to each of them, this is how it should begin to look like. We have also added yellow and blue to it. As for the final step, wrap a bow around it and there you have it. This will be the final look of the cake. Make sure that each of your movements are precise as such, otherwise it can go wrong. This will be the final look. Next, we will start off by adding little stencil marks to make little clover leaves on a cake as such. Outline them using green marker and then fill them in accordingly as well. Now add little stems to them as well once you are done. Add a white center should you please do. Next, we will start off by making a circular shaped stencil on a circular cake as such. Take some cream colored icing and then make a circle shape out of it in the middle of the cake. As for the sides, make multiple vertical lines as such. Now, after this, add little green lines all around the squares that you have left out, after which you will add the flowers to it as well. Finally, this is how it should begin to look like. Add little stems and bases to the plants as well. Finally, once you are done, you may also add any sort of decorative figurine at the top. We have chosen to add the angel Gabriel. Next, we'll start off by taking some red frosting in a piping bag and then make a flower shape out of it. Next, make as many as these as possible and then add a brown or black center to each of them to make it look all the more better. Next, we will start off by taking the circular cake and then add some white frosting to the edges of it accordingly all around. Make sure that you do this with this particular nozzle or you will not be able to attain the shape that you desire. Now, once you are done with this is what it should begin to look like. Take out the stencil that is used to make roses and then begin to layer it on as such. This will make it look like it is a rose. Now, once you are done making this and adding each of your layers to it as you please, you may take it off and then add it onto your cake accordingly. Do this on one side so that it does not clutter the other side of this. Thank you for watching.